alley elevator.
It's in Montgomery.
No, it's an alley. Look through the ceiling.
It's in Montgomery, but
That is Montgomery. Oh shit.
oh hey.
How's it going, guys? Pretty good. Where you guys going? On this floor?
No, we're just checking out the elevator.
Could you hit the P? The very last one? Yeah, thank you.
Sure thing, boss.
This
What do
thing
you guys
is,
work for?
we're actually just checking out
We're
the
actually just checking
elevator.
out the elevator.
Oh, it works pretty good.
Yeah, it's a historic.
Absolutely.
I think it's original to the building.
Oh yeah, pretty
Mind if I
sure.
get that plaque right above you?
Pretty cool. Wow, this thing is so cool.
Was inspected, I don't know, 317 last year?
Hey, it's 03. Okay, we'll let you go. You're in the basement, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys are good.
Yeah, we're just checking it out. Wow, this is a cool elevator.